Hi, I'm Andrew with Odd Harmonics, and in this video, I'll show you how databases work in Nexus. A Nexus database captures everything programmable about Nexus: macros, actions, triggers, and preferences. Databases are a great way to save, load, and transfer Nexus settings instantly without ever needing to push a new file to the core. Let's go to the Database tab. On the top left is the live database. This is what's currently running in all the other tabs of Nexus. The only things you can do here are rename your database and delete the database, which clears all settings from Nexus. The next section is the library. This is where you can load, save, and delete databases. It works just as you'd expect, with the load, save, and delete buttons each controlling their row's database. And of course, you can change the name of any of the saved databases. Note, if you save your entire Q-SYS file from File, Save, all of Nexus will be captured as well, including all saved databases in the library. What makes the Nexus library special is that you can instantly recall Nexus settings without having to push an entire Q-SYS file. When you recall a database from the library, the macros and actions that are currently in progress or in the action queue will finish without missing a beat. The next section is Autosave, a great security blanket. At regular intervals, Nexus will back up your live database to the autosaves. Set the interval to determine how much time is between each autosave. During programming, you might make this shorter so you can easily revert a recent change. During regular operation, you might make this longer in order to save a longer history of backups. The next section is Find and Replace. Find and Replace allows you to search through your live database and replace specific text inside. For example, if you get a new batch of audio files with an updated version number, it's easy to find the old version number in all of your macros and update it to the new version number. Just type the old version number in the Find field and the new version number in the Replace field. For the search type, select Partial String OK, which tells Nexus to search within the various text strings. If it's set to whole string, then we would have to search for the entire audio file name in order to find anything. Click Find and Replace, and Nexus will scan the entire database, reporting the results below. Find and Replace is a very powerful tool, but be careful. For example, if you accidentally replace all the letter E's in your database with the letter S, you're going to have a bad day. I highly recommend saving before using Find and Replace. The last section is Import and Export. Clicking Export generates a JSON-formatted text string of your live database. Exporting is perfect if you want to transfer your database to another Nexus, either on this core or another one. Exporting is also great if you want to back up your Nexus settings to somewhere else, such as providing printable text documentation to a client. To import a database, just paste the JSON-formatted string into the Import field and click the Import button. Importing will immediately replace your live database with the imported database. For the extra crafty among you, yes, you can use an external text editor or spreadsheet to edit the JSON-formatted string and then re-import it, but please save first. It's easy to miss something small and corrupt the JSON formatting. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Check out the next video in this series to learn all about Nexus's preferences. For more information about Nexus, or to buy a pro license, go to odd-harmonics.com. And if you have any questions, please email us at support@odd-harmonics.com. Thanks for watching.